Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna peel some eggs.
How many times have you boiled eggs that weren't hard enough or the shell didn't peel cleanly off the egg? If you don't want to tear apart the egg trying to peel it, now I will show you how to peel it easily. Put the eggs in a pan, cover them with water and boil them for 13 minutes. Then put them immediately in a bowl with cold water and ice to make them easy to peel. Shocking them in ice-cold water stops the cooking process. It immediately cools the eggs, which makes them easier to peel. My ice have cranberries in it because I had it for cocktails, but it's been for a long time in the freezer, so I thought instead of throwing it away, I could use it when cooling boiled eggs. To peel them, use a teaspoon like this. If you stick it between the shell and the egg, you can see that it will peel nicely. So quick and easy. I'm showing you how all the 10 eggs I just boiled peel so easily using this method. Some people add to the boiling water vinegar or salt or baking soda. I never add a thing and the eggs peel so nicely every time. The best way to store hard-boiled eggs is in a covered container in the refrigerator. Eggs can release odors in the fridge, which is why it helps to keep them covered. Unpeeled boiled eggs should be eaten within 5 days. Peeled eggs should be eaten within a day or two. Eggs are a convenient and affordable source of protein. With hard-boiled eggs on hand, you have the component of a satisfying breakfast, lunch, snack, appetizer or dinner. So get cracking! No more eggs that don't peel easily. No more losing chunks of egg in your attempts to remove the shell. Look, they are all nicely peeled. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!
It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up.